Hi, loves, it's Elle, and welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for being here today. Today we're talking all about budget skincare that I absolutely recommend, and before we get started, hit that subscribe button, share this video with somebody you think might like it, and let's do it. Alright, so I want to talk about budget skincare, and that doesn't mean that it doesn't work. Now, you know I subscribe to a lot of Osmosis products, Is Clinical, Tatcha, things like that. But I wanted to make a video with really great products that do work, and that if you are on a budget, these might be something to consider. Alright, so this one is one of my favorites out of this whole list. I have my notes down here just so you know, so I can look at prices and stuff like that. But if you guys have not checked out Cocokind, it is a really beautiful, clean, non-toxic green brand, very affordable. This is their Glow Essence with Sea Grape Caviar. It is gorgeous, and all you do is you spray it all over your face just like an essence, and you pat it in. Essences always go after your toner and before your serums. This is only $18. And it is vegan. It is also there for hydration, of course, as any hydrating essence is. And it definitely gives a really radiant glow to the skin and then helps the products that you put on top of it absorb a little bit better. The ingredients are so beautiful. Their transparency on their website is bar none. I mean, they tell you exactly what's in it, how much, all of that. It does have glycerin in it, of course. It has a sea grape caviar extract, which is all about hydration, boosting firmness, really plumping the skin. It also has 2 blue-green algae extracts, which are in there for, again, hydration, boosting the skin's natural radiance, letting it absorb hydration. And then it also has sea buckthorn extract. Again, this essence is all about hydration, all about plumping, all about kind of boosting that natural radiance in the skin. There are no ingredients in it that would lend themselves to any kind of irritation, so all skin types can use this for sure. All right, so this is new to me. This was sent to me in PR. I've been using, you can tell, I've been using it for the past 2 weeks. This is the Good Molecules Rose Water Daily Cleansing Gel. This is only $12, and look how big it is. It is 4 fluid ounces. Now, this is a cleansing gel. Now, I don't use this every single day because I am dry, but I do use it quite often. It is a beautiful second cleanse after you've kind of hydrated the first cleanse, or a great cleanse in the morning. It is great for all skin types. And again, their transparency and how they formulate is stunning and so admirable for sure. It literally in the ingredients gives you the percentage of each ingredient. I love it. This is definitely, it's a pH balanced gel face wash. It doesn't suds up a ton. It is sulfate free, obviously, vegan, and obviously non-tested on animals. But what I like about it is it leaves the skin feeling very clean, but not stripped. So again, for anybody that is more dry, you want to use this maybe 2 to 4 times a week, but anybody else can pretty much use this as their daily cleanser, and the price you just can't beat. Great ingredients. All right, now I've talked about this before, and this is probably the first one I was sent to in PR, but I've now bought, this is I think my second one that I've bought. This is the Instant Cleansing Balm from Good Molecules. It's only $15. Don't spend a ton of money on cleansing balms, you guys. This works so effectively. It does not strip the skin at all. It is also formulated with sea buckthorn, so anything hydrating and you see sea buckthorn in there, that is for hydrating properties and really not stripping the skin. It also has camellia oil in it, which is one of my favorite oils to use. That is one main ingredient in Tatcha's camellia oil, obviously, and this is beautiful, has that in it. It definitely does remove makeup. It is my first step in my second cleanse at night. It is vegan as well, and it's just 15 bucks, and it's so good, you guys. All right, now this is a new one to me that I just recently bought. Now this is the one that's a little bit more expensive. This is $24.95, but this is by Derma E, and this is called the Firming DMAE Eye Lift. Now, if you guys haven't heard of the ingredient DAME, it can be a little controversial, but from my research, it's totally fine. There is a ton of research on the amazing ability there is in that ingredient to firm the skin. So they have actually a whole line with this ingredient in their DMAE. So they have a moisturizer and a toner and an eye cream. I just got this because I recently ran out of mine and I just wanted to try something new. So there is quite a bit of research on this ingredient and I have been loving this. It's super lightweight. It goes under makeup beautifully. It hydrates beautifully, but not overly to the point that, you know, things are slipping and sliding. It goes into the skin so quickly, and it's just a beautiful, beautiful eye cream. And it can go 360, which means along the bone of our eye, obviously not by our lash line. And it is, of course, Derma E is very clean. They have, it's cruelty-free, non-GMO, 100% vegan, gluten-free, soy-free, and the packaging is recyclable, and it is wind energy certified, which means what it says. It was created with wind energy, which I love. I love how socially and environmentally conscious this company is. I'm trying to get more into them, just if you haven't noticed. Now, jumping back into cleansers, now this is just a travel size that I have. My big one is upstairs. This is by Kinship. You know I love their SPF. Their SPF is hands down 100% my favorite SPF ever created right now. This is their Naked Papaya Gentle Enzyming Face Cleanser. Again, now this is $22. The big one is $22, which is fantastic. They actually just launched in Ulta, which I'm so proud of them. They're a baby brand. But I love this cleanser. Now, I don't use this cleanser every single day because it is a enzyme exfoliating cleanser. So this is perfect for oily, acneic, combination, normal skin. It is great for dry skin as well if you want a very gentle exfoliation. There's no particles or anything in it. It's an enzyme exfoliation. So I use it just a couple times a week as my second cleanse at night, just to kind of remove any more impurities, get a little bit of light exfoliation. It does have papaya in it, obviously it says in its name. That is the enzyme for exfoliation. It does have jojoba oil in it, which is such a beautiful match for skin. It's one of the most amazing oils for skin. It does have my favorite sunflower oil as well, and that is one of my favorite oils for the skin, besides camellia oil and a few others. So these are a new find for me. They were sent to me in PR. So I'm sure a lot of you guys have heard of, this is called Revolution Skincare. I believe, I could be totally wrong, but I believe the brand is called Makeup Revolution and they came out with a skincare brand, a skincare line. Now listen, I get asked all the time for recommendations on budget-friendly vitamin C's and niacinamides and retinols, which that is coming, don't worry, but I can't talk about it just yet. But this is 12.5% L-ascorbic acid. This is only $14, and it's vegan and cruelty-free, so I love that. Now, the only thing that I have to say about this is I've used it many times. It's very good. I get no irritation. So there's a few things I want to kind of say. First of all, I love where L-ascorbic acid, or just ascorbic acid, excuse me, ascorbic acid is on the ingredient list. It's the third ingredient, okay, which I love that, which means it's going to be potent, it's going to be effective. It also does have grapeseed oil in it and a few other kind of hydrating, soothing ingredients. The one thing I will call out and say that I do not like in just this serum is it does have dimethicone in it and propylene glycol. So if those two are an issue for you, then this probably would be a pass. But if you are looking to introduce a vitamin C, this would not be a bad place to start as long as you are not sensitive to those two ingredients. So I'm here for that. 12.5 is a really great place to be with a vitamin C for the least amount of opportunity for reaction. Now, this is by the same company, Revolution Skincare. This is their 15% niacinamide. It's called their Super Strength formula. It's their blemish refining and moisturizing serum. Now, this is only $14. This is one of my favorites that I have seen from this line, and I'll tell you why. A, the price point's fantastic, but B, it has zinc in there, which zinc is great for the skin. It's an anti-inflammatory, it soothes the skin, and it's really beneficial to be put in place with niacinamide because niacinamide can cause some purging in some people. Not everyone. I use it every single day in all of my other products and it doesn't cause me any issues. But some people can have purging or breakouts from niacinamide. Now, but I like this because it's formulated really nicely. It's cruelty-free vegan and it has, let me tell you, it only has water as the first ingredient and then the second ingredient, niacinamide. And then it only has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 other ingredients. That's it. So this is a pretty darn clean serum. You can add this to any other of your products. You can mix it in. You know that a lot of products nowadays contain niacinamide, so make sure you're looking at your ingredients and not overdoing it. So when I did a routine with these products, what I did obviously is cleanse. I did my essence while it was still wet. I went in with my vitamin C, put that on, let it kind of chill, put my eye cream on, a little bit of niacinamide, and then I went in with my moisturizing SPF, okay? So that is how I would use these products specifically. Getting to the goodies. This is a new launch from e.l.f. This is their 100 milligram CBD facial oil. It's a dry oil, you guys. It's a really nice, beautiful dry oil. The ingredients are gorgeous. So it has a hemp seed oil, obviously, which we know CBD is an amino-rich ingredient that is fantastic for overall barrier health of the skin, hydration, overall kind of taking care of the skin. It also has squalane in it, which we know is a great hydrator. This is a vegan form of squalane. And then it also has rose hip seed oil for brightening. It is a vitamin A derivative oil, so it is a very gentle form of vitamin A. CBD is going to be around forever now. You're going to see a lot of products with CBD coming out. They actually have a whole line of them. And it is, the reason why CBD is so amazing for the skin is because its ability to repair the barrier function to the skin, its ability to protect and feed the skin. So you'll be seeing a lot more of CBD come out as time progresses forward. That is my roundup of budget skincare. I hope that this helps make really smart decisions. You know, this does not discount any of the products that I personally use or that I have, you know, recommended before. I just like to give you a wide variety of you know, different types of skincare, different prices, and I really look into these ingredients and I try to call them out and make sure that these are effective and they will give you the results that you're looking for. Now, I will leave you that with this. Some of these more serums like the vitamin C and niacinamide and things like that, you know, they don't have the delivery systems of more higher end ones that are, you know, even Drunk Elephant, to be honest with you, but like, you know, Osmosis and Is Clinical and, you know, Truth Treatments and all of that stuff. So pick and choose, but if you are on a budget, these are a or you're new into skincare, or you're looking to get your kids on a routine or something like that, these are fantastic places to start. All right? Thank you all so much for being here. I'll see you on the next one. Lots of love from me to you. Bye, loves.